What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Kisaka. I'm pleased to have you back again. It has been a while. I've been missing in action. In today's video, guys, we're talking about some discrimination of Jamaicans. There's a video that has been going rounds on social media about one lady, and I think I was having a company of a male counterpart. Both of them are Jamaicans, and they were in a hotel. They were grossly discriminated. It is alleged. Let's look at the video.
If I to stay here, sir? Is that what you're saying? You know, I'd really appreciate if you would answer me.
I'm telling you again and again. The lady just came. He asked me, do you have room? I said, I don't have room. The minute that you guys took time, 5 reservations came out of my system.
No.
Okay,
Let's not deflect.
Whatever you want to do.
Excuse me?
I don't have any room.
Sir, are you going to allow me? You should call the police so I can let them know how discriminatory you are. You are very discriminatory. You saw his Jamaican passport? This is unbelievable. You saw that we had a Jamaican passport, and the moment you saw the Jamaican passport, you said you have no rooms, and you also said that no smoking. Wow. Him tell the police that me I yell like crazy. We're at the Knights Inn in Nashville, Tennessee, off Spring Street.
Yes. Thank you, officer. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. Easy.
And what are we going to tell the police now?
Whatever you want.
That I harassed you?
I just reported.
What exactly are you going to tell the cops?
I just reported, so he gonna take you out. That's what all it is. Because I don't have rooms.
So because you don't have any rooms, you're going to call the police on me because you don't have any rooms.
You threatened me. You're doing like this. That's what you do right now.
I threatened you.
I'm telling you as a
This is unbelievable, you know? You know, never have I ever witnessed this in my lifetime, sir.
My system is closed.
Yeah, because he saw the passport, you were like, oh, there's no smoking.
That's where it started.
That's where it
So
started.
because I'm Jamaican, it's synonymous with smoking.
Right.
I deliberately sat and watched you check this person in. This group of Caucasians. And you did not say to them, no smoking.
All right.
You never said that to them.
How are we gonna say that?
Excuse me?
What are we gonna say that to the guys?
Why would you say to them, no smoking?
Yeah, so how are we gonna say to the guys?
So why did you say to us, no smoking? Because you saw the Jamaican passport.
It's not about Jamaica. You know where I'm from?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Well, your predecessor was quite disrespectful. Yes, the gentleman that was standing here just before you came out. To the point where he told me that there aren't any rooms and I can't stay here. I should stay somewhere else. I'm sorry. Hello?
Hi, we got a normal popcorn call from this number. Is everything okay?
For the most part, Shani said that he's gonna call the police because I'm harassing him. So I wanted to make my report as well, so we can have 2 records on file for this incident, in the event that he had actually called the police.
Okay. And are you at 99 Spring Street at Night Inn?
Yes. So I was actually waiting for the police to get here so we can possibly get to a resolution.
And don't see any other calls at that location.
Of course not. Unbelievable. Sir, have you gotten a better understanding of what is happening now?
Yeah, I got you.
And what? Sir, I have everything on record. So you can lie to them all you desire. That's not what transpired.
I just did my job. 4 people came.
You just did your job
4 people.
by looking at my passport and telling me instantly, no smoking.
4 people came.
You did not say that to the white people that came here, the Caucasian families. You never said to them, no smoking. Everything was fine until he saw our passport, and that is what is making me upset. And when he saw how hurt I was and how serious I was, he actually came out and said that the reason for his behavior is because he's having a bad day. Well, if you having a bad day is going to affect you providing quality customer care, this is not the line of work for you.
4 guests came at the lobby, and I told them I don't have rooms. And you guys telling me you have rooms. That's what I don't have rooms.
Listen,
and you're recording us.
Listen, you're not.
The reason for my recording is to stand as proof of what you are doing and how you're being discriminatory against us. You also lied and said you had called the authority. I just called the police. They said there's no record of you reaching out to them. Why do you think that you telling me that you have called the police would have done anything differently tonight? You thought I was going to run through the door because you called the cops? I'm not illegal. I'm not partaking in illegal activities in this country. You are grossly disrespectful.
So guys, in this video, you can see what has transpired, and it is very, very bad at this time and age for discrimination to take place, and leave alone in any other part of the world. Tennessee, the discrimination took place at a hotel known as Knights Inn in Nashville, Tennessee. If it is in Jamaica, it is so bad, much worse. If it is in USA, whether it is in USA or any other part of the world, discrimination or biasness against a race, against people, against ability, physical ability, or whichever manner of discrimination, it is not even thinkable in this time and age. So this Jamaican lady with I think it is maybe his fiancé or whichever, I don't know exactly, they enter to book to reserve a room, and when the guy on the reservation desk sees that it is Jamaican passport, what goes into his mind? From the video, it is alleged that the guy just sees these are Jamaicans. These are, I think he thought maybe they are there to smoke weed or something of the sort, or maybe the perception that these guys hold against Jamaica is that Jamaicans are just weed smokers and something of the sort. They don't know that Jamaicans are people who hold their respect so high. And Jamaicans, one good thing about them is that you cannot do anything or rather discriminate them, and they keep quiet. So I think that must have happened. This guy looks at the passport of the Jamaican lady and just starts saying there's no smoking, no room. And in this video, you can see the lady has just sat there, and some Caucasian 3 ladies, ladies of Caucasian origin, just walked over at the counter and booked room while they were just sitting there. And to make the matter was that guy threatens. He says that the Jamaican lady, is threatening him. You know, it beats logic. I think that's not right. You can't just threaten anyone with by booking a room, and that's not the way to go. You know, if someone books a room and there's no space, I think if maybe he didn't want the lady and the man there, that the Jamaicans there, the farthest that he could have gone, he would have called the security guy, because at the end of the video you'll see you have seen that, or you will see that there's a security guard who was called later on after that guy lying that he was speaking to the police. They made those Jamaicans to sit there for like an hour just waiting for the police, until they themselves decided to call the police to also make a statement, because the receptionist, or the guy with a small walkie-talkie, had just was showing impressions as if he was making calls to the police, which was not the case. This is so bad. You know, there are some jobs that people should treat others with a lot of respect. Jobs to do with hospitality, people should be friendly. If you have any grudge, or you're not feeling well, you should not bring whatever is troubling you to the place of work, because hospitality industry does not like that. That was so bad. One thing I like about Jamaicans, you cannot just do anything. You cannot mess with a Jamaican and just go scot-free. They'll have to show you to the entire world what you are doing wrong. That was wrong, and not all Jamaicans smoke weed. I think that was, or not all Jamaicans are paupers, or not all Jamaicans are poor. Not all Jamaicans, you know, some of these people think that Jamaicans just don't have money, or maybe they are there to cause trouble. That was what this guy was insinuating, which is not right. This is very, 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 very wrong. And then the guy has the audacity of saying that later on, at the end of the video, that he was in a bad mood. I think that he just did that out of camera. One good thing about that lady, the moment she realized that this guy was biased against them, or rather was discriminating against them, I think she pulled her camera and started recording. There have been many cases such as this, and it's bad that foreigners can come to other people's land and then set up a business, and then they start discriminating against the locals. That is very wrong. In fact, the locals should be the one who should be given priority in jobs. If you want to set up a business and you want just like one race in that business, you might have as well set up that business and take it in your own country. When you set up a business in a foreign country, I think it's good to allow people from different races to get it into that. If it is a hotel, don't allow the hotel or restaurant to be for one only race. That's bad. That is totally not acceptable. We should love one another. We are one people. When you cut my blood and another person's blood, it's just red. There's no difference. It's just a color. We are different. We are same. We are different people, but one color. Sorry, different colors, but one people. We should love one another. We are all created in the image and likeness of God. Why the hate? Because someone is black, because another is white. This has to stop. This has to stop. Whether you are a Chinese, and in Jamaica, despite the fact that most Jamaicans are black, but they are one out of many one people. They are one. Whether you can find a Chinese Jamaican, when he speaks, you'll not even be able to know the difference that this is a Chinese man or this is a Indo-Jamaican. You won't be able to tell because they speak like Jamaicans. They have been there. They have roots there. So we should love one another. It's very bad and sad to discriminate people and just judge someone by from the look of color, or just from the look. This guy has beards. This guy is broke. Or this guy has a Range Rover. This guy is rich. That Range Rover might not be his. It maybe has borrowed from somebody else. We should love one another. We should take care of one another. So in this video, this has been so bad and it is totally discouraged. Cheers guys, this has been the video for today. You can see for yourself how the discrimination has taken place. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not. Hit the bell notification icon so that in case I get to post, you'll be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you on my next video.